Hello guys, welcome back. You are here with CodePurpose at another installment of using C++ doing simple exercises. And today we are going for three non-negative integer numbers x. We are going to calculate the ancestor of x, the successor of x, x multiplied by himself, the square root of x, and e in the power of x. First we will need three parameters, which will be of type integer a, b, and c. Let's read them. Cout input a, b, c. Cin a, b, c. Now we will need cout, and we are going to write set width 10. Now I know what you're all thinking. What is this set width? Well, set width, you can find it in the library eomanip. Now what this does, for example, if you write a number 5, if you write set width 10, then we will print the number with 10 spaces. Or let me just show you by example. Let's print cout 10. Let's type these numbers, 432 and 10. There you see we have spaces. But if we have 10 numbers, 1 0 0 0 0 0 0, there we won't have any spaces left. 4 2 1. You see? Well, we have one space here because the number contains 9 digits. So this is, I think you got what set width does. Now we are going to write x, set width 10, ancestor, another set width, successor, and do the same for the following as well. Square root, and e in the power of x. Now we will just start printing them. Cout, use set width again. Opa. Set width 10, a, set width 10, the ancestor a minus 1, and the successor is a plus 1, x multiplied by himself. We can use the pow function, or in this case just write a multiplied by a. Now we will need the square root of a, and lastly, now at the CMath library we also have the function how to calculate this. We write exp and a, and line. Yeah, basically we are done with our code. We just will copy this, paste it here. Instead of A, we have P, P, and do the same for C. Yeah guys, I think we are done with our code. Now let's try it. Let's put 4, I don't know, 2, 1. Now for 4 the ancestor is 3, for 4 the successor is 5. Now 4 multiplied by himself is 16, the square root of 4 is 2, and e in the power of 4 is 54.5982. There you go guys, this is how to calculate the ancestor, the successor, the square root, and e in the power of x for 3 non-negative integer numbers. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, comment down below, and check our other videos. Have a nice day guys.